It's another one. All right. So plop that into MyRemy, our free AI grow buddy. Short answer: plants don't understand your mixtape or your compliments, but they do respond to vibrations, air movement, and CO2. Here's the breakdown, grow buddy style. Music and talking, what's actually happening? Plants don't have ears or a brain, so they're not vibing to your playlist the way you are. But sound equals vibration, and talking equals warm breath and CO2. And those can create tiny indirect effects. What the research does hint at, certain low frequency vibrations may slightly influence growth patterns. Your voice adds a puff of CO2, which plants love. But it's basically the impact of a single exhale. Exhale CO2 bags, of course, we have those in the show. And the music equals moving air. If the speakers push air around the room, that small movement can strengthen stems the same way a fan does, but a fan is much better. Real world grower truth. If plants grow better when you talk to them or play music, it's usually because you're spending more time near them, so you catch problems earlier. There's air movement from speakers, you're giving them slightly more CO2 in close proximity, and you're just being a more attentive plant parent. So basically, it's not an art. It's not the art, it's the attention. Should you keep doing it?